Hey sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. Alright, so we are going to review our patterns today. Alright, so the first pattern that we're going to do is what you see here on the screen. It's called A-B pattern. We've already talked about this before, but I want to review it with this slide because it's nicely set up. Alright, and so what you see here is a blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. There are only two different things in this pattern. We have the blue one, which we can call A, then we have the red one, which we can call B. A-B pattern. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And so this is the A-B pattern. Alright, so let's practice. So let's look right here. I'm going to move this screen up here so you guys can see better. Alright, so A-B pattern. Remember, blue, red, blue, red. So we're going to finish this pattern using this slide, okay? So first we have a blue, red, then blue, then red, then blue. Now here's a blank. What would come next? Okay, ready? Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Good. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to drag the red one and put it in there. So that completes our A-B pattern. Very good. Let's do one more. Or let's do another one. Alright. So here we have yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, and we need to find the missing one. Remember, A-B goes first, then the next, first and the next. Just like red, blue, red, blue, red. It can be any colors. So let's finish this one. Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Very good. Green. So we're going to put the green one right there to complete our pattern. All right, next, one more page of practice for A-B pattern. Ready? All right. Orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. Very good. So let's bring the red bear to the blank. Very good. All right. Next, let's talk about A-B-B pattern. I'm going to move this down here so you can see better. All right. It's called A-B-B because it's got two of the same. So it goes red, blue, blue, red, blue, blue. All right, so that, just like for A-B, it can be A-B-B, A-B-B. All right, so let's practice with A-B-B pattern. Remember, it can be any color. Yellow, green, green. Yellow, green, and we're missing one, so we're going to think about it. Remember, A-B-B pattern. So it's one, and then it's two different ones. All right, so let's finish this pattern. Yellow, green, green. Yellow, green, green. Very good. Let's finish that. All right, next we have this A-B-B pattern. All right, red, blue, blue. Red, blue, and we need to find what's missing. All right, so remember, it's a certain order. All right, red, blue, blue, red, blue, oh, blue. Good, so let's drag the blue bear up there in the spot. Very good. All right, last one. I think you guys are getting it. All right, A-B-B. Remember, one and then two of the same. All right, orange, red, red, orange, red, and we need, goodness, I keep clicking that. And then we keep clicking, and then we need to find the missing bear, okay? So let's do it together. Orange, red, red, orange, red, red. Very good. All right, guys. Sorry, I kept clicking away and trying to close everything out. But I love you guys, and I pray that this helps you to remember your patterns. Love you. Bye.